All right, so today we're doing two different activities. We're making bath bombs and we're making fragrances.
In adults, I need adult attention. You have one way to redeem yourself. If you want to get your points from STEAMtastic Chant, you have to do a dance. We'll show you how. For our families today, we're going to give the first one, Mrs. and Mr. Rudolph, a check for $600. So we have gift cards for each parent. If you want to come up to grab your gift card for Publix. Ortiz with Sharon is Caring. So she has her own nonprofit. So she has gifted us, she did it last year, and so she also gifted us this year with some toys. She normally rounds up about 500 to 600 toys every year for different organizations. So we are very grateful for you, and thank you so much for thinking of us.